kitchen tools. Let's go! This is a spoon. Spoon. Can you say it with me? Spoon. Great job. This is a fork. Fork. Say it again. Fork. Awesome. This is a knife. Knife. Don't worry. This one is safe. Say it with me. Knife. Good job. This is a pan. We cook yummy food in a pan. Repeat. Pan. Nice work. This is a pot. A big round pot, perfect for soup. Say it loud. Pot. Well done. This is a cup. We drink coffee in a cup. One more time. Cup. You're doing great. This is a bowl. Cereal goes in a bowl. Yummy! Say it with me. Bowl. Fantastic. This is a plate. We eat our food on a plate. Let's say it together. Plate. Good job. This is a spatula. Flip-flop. It's a spatula. Say it with me. Spatula. Great saying. This is a whisk. It goes swish, swish, swish. Let's say it whisk. Wonderful. This is a rolling pin. We roll out dough with a rolling pin. Say it. Rolling pin. This is a toaster. It heats up bread to make it warm, crispy, and brown. Toaster. This is a blender. A blender spins really fast and mixes things all together. It can make yummy smoothies and shakes. Say it with me. Blender. Awesome job. This is a colander. We use it to drain water from pasta. Say it slowly. Colander. You're doing awesome. This is a ladle. Say it loud. Ladle. Awesome. This is a grater. We grate cheese with a grater. Say it. Grater. That's great. This is a tongs. We pick up hot food with tongs. Say it together. Tongs. Well done. This is a cutting board. We use it to chop things safely. Say it again. Cutting board. Super work. This is a measuring cup. We use it to measure milk and flour. Say it slowly. Measuring cup. Perfect. This is a sponge. We clean with a soft, squishy sponge. Say it. Sponge. Fantastic job. You did a great job today. See you in the next videos. Bye-bye.